मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा है।
Subscribe now.
Oh, broke my glass. Oh, broke my glass. Tappu.
It's Tappu's mom. Oh, Ayarji. Sorry, Ayarji.
Dayaji, you?
Yes, it wasn't fun without Sonu today. So mom became a substitute.
Dayaji, I didn't expect this from you.
Ayarji, I hit a 6. Your glass just came in the way. Ayarji, please return the ball.
Leave it, Dayanti. I have a spare ball. We will continue the game.
Broke the glass with the ball and the pot with the bat. Forget the ball. You started throwing the bat as well.
Sorry, Ayarji. It happened by mistake. Give back the bat, please.
You want the bat? Here. Take it.
Ayar uncle threw the bat towards the swimming pool. Whoever reaches the pool last is the loser.
Hey, kids, wait. I'm also coming.
Sodi uncle, pass the bat, please.
No way. I won't let you mischievous kids waste my time. Yes, sir.
Look, he's your father. Say something. Yes, change of plan. Let's play hide and seek.
Not my den.
Not my den. Mom, so you be the denner. We will all hide. Okay?
Yes. Okay, then I am the denner. It will be a lot of fun.
Thank you, auntie.
Don't mention it. Come on, I will start counting. Tick-tock 1, tick-tock 2, tick-tock 3, tick-tock 4. I'm coming to find you all. I will find you guys right now. Where are you all hiding? Oh, I can't see them anywhere. Maybe they are hiding under the water. I will empty the entire swimming pool.
What's this happening? Who emptied this pool?
Oh my goodness me! Oh dear Sodi ji.
Dayaji, tell me the truth. Is this the work of those kids?
No, I drained the water to see if anyone was hiding inside the pool.
Dayaji!
Speak softly, the children are hiding. I'm trying to find them all.
Hey, bida, you're the secretary of this society. You must control Dayaji. Oh, look at her. She has become a complete child.
Calm down, Sodi. I am here. I'll do something.
Hey! Catch!
I broke my leg.
I'm sorry. Are you hurt?
Huh? Dayaji, it's a society meeting. Please come now, please.
Bhede ji, is it something important?
Huh?
If yes, then call Dad. And if it's something casual, then call Tapu's father. I'm a little busy right now.
Mom, run! Goalie's coming!
Oh my goodness me!
Are you okay, Babita ji?
Yes, Jethaji. I came here to dry my hair.
Okay, if it's dry, throw it down.
Daya,
Huh?
have you also become a child along with the kids? Look at her. Poor Babita ji got hurt so badly. Babita ji, do you need anything? Medicine, water? Huh?
Jetalal, take care of yourself and your wife and child. I am here to take care of Babita.
Absolutely right, Ayyaji.
Daya, if you want to play, go and play on the ground. Huh? Not here. You all have troubled the entire society.
Dad, don't say anything to Mom. Mom, let's go. Let's play badminton.
Yeah, hey. Oh.
This Daya auntie is playing too well. Let's increase the difficulty level for her. Pinku, come on.
Tapu, this is so much fun. Our team will definitely win. Yes!
I got it.
It's a good thing Daya auntie hit that shot and not us. Otherwise, they wouldn't have let us out of the house from tomorrow.
Hey, I get it. Now what happened to you? Oh man, get up. Have you come to your senses?
See, a moment's distraction caused a loss. Tapu, this is all because of you.
Mom, you just kept playing and playing. You weren't giving me a chance at all.
Yes, Daya auntie.
Tapu, you just kept sleeping. That's why someone had to continue the play, right?
Daya
Okay, this Dayachi is more dangerous than the kids.
And since she is an elder, we can't even say anything.
This is the best part about playing with Daya auntie.
That new elder can shout at us.
Jethalal!
Look, he is my husband, but these two are the one missing him.
Mommy, let's go.
Jethalal, listen carefully. You will definitely have to control Daya Bhabi.
I'll do it. I'll do something, brother.
Boy, don't let her play with the kids.
Huh? Okay.
Otherwise, it will become difficult for all of us to live.
There. Daya.
Tappu's father, what happened? Tell me.
Daya, I feel like eating the halwa made by your hands. Right now, please.
Huh?
Come on, let's go.
Well, it's a good thing Jethalal took Dayaji away.
At last, the trouble is avoided.
Idea. Tappu's father, nowadays you can find everything on the internet, even the recipe for halwa.
Yes, Mommy is absolutely right.
Yeah.
So today you will make halwa for all of us. I mean, for all these kids and for me.
Yeah. I should make halwa.
Yes. Until then, we will finish our last game and come back.
Yay! Tappu Sena!
Oh, no, this is a mess.
Mom, you have to aim correctly and hit this dummy donkey. Are you ready?
Absolutely. Aiming without looking is child's play for my right hand, Tappu.
Come on, Gogi.
Everybody move aside.
Auntie, over here.
No, Daya auntie, over here.
Huh?
Mom, listen to me and hit it here.
Daya! Oh! Daya! Why are you bent on messing me up?
Tappu's father, please move out of the way.
Did it hit?
Not the donkey, but Jetha uncle got hit.
Oh, so your voice came from here. That donkey must be here. I am coming, donkey.
Huh?
Yeah.
Did it hit?
No,
Why are you saying no?
she is asking, so I'm replying.
Oh no! Mere uncle won't even spare Mom.
Huh?
Is it okay, Tappu?
Hey, the mirror is broken. But he won't even know that his scooter had fallen.
What kind of sound was that? Leave that. Today I will definitely hit the donkey. Hey, hello!
Hey, Mom, wait! Ha!
Auntie!
Mom, stop!
Oh, yeah.
Daya auntie, stop swinging the hockey stick.
Why? Did I hit that donkey?
अरे दया जी
Mom, stop! It's hit!
I aimed correctly, didn't I? Oh dear. Huh? Oh my goodness me! What has happened?
Hey, Jethalal, you don't just have to compensate for the damage.
Rather, you'll also have to find a proper permanent solution to stop Dayaji.
Hey, have some mercy on a poor person like me. At home it's bad, outside it's there.
Huh? Or Bidu hasn't even seen the condition of his scooter yet.
Yeah? Yeah.
Yes, Jethalal. Until you pay money, we will not leave you.
Daya. Did you see what you did? While playing with the kids, you emptied my pockets, Daya.
Okay, so what do you all want? Shouldn't the society's children play at all?
See, Dhire has also arrived.
Oh my god, what has happened?
My Sagaram! Sagaram, no! Sagaram, no! Sagaram, no! Who did this?
Hey, Bhide, this time it wasn't Tappu. It's Dayaji who has destroyed the entire society.
Yes, sir. You take all your refund from Jethalal. Huh?
Daya, because of you, I have to listen to so many taunts. I will talk to you when I get home, Daya.
Hey, listen.
First pay for the damage that has happened in the entire society, then you will be allowed to go home.
Guys, today I learned a new game from my aunt's place. It was a lot of fun, but it requires 6 players.
Dayanti! Huh?
Shall we play another game?
Absolutely. Tappu's father, the children are calling. So I will just go and play another game, okay?
All our participants are performing to wacky stunts. Sometimes they're jumping, sometimes they're hopping, sometimes they fall. I can't tell if they are humans or monkeys. Now just look at this gentleman. He wants to get across the river, but the boat has gotten stuck. The game of Jhumri Talaiya is truly one of a kind. Oh, he took a flip and gave us the slip.
Tapu, you made your father fall and you're laughing?
Participate in this game show with your family and make your way to Jhumri Talaya tomorrow. Goodbye for today.
Tapu's
Yes, tell me, what were you saying there? Speak.
These people are sending messages that are loud as a speaker. If you had worn this while talking, then only 10 houses would have heard you. Understood?
What? Being with Tapu has rubbed off on you.
Yes, and on you too. Tomorrow, the three of us will go to Jhumri Talaya to take part in this game.
No way. I will absolutely not go.
But Dad, the whole family must participate in order to qualify in this game.
Oh, Daya, I'm absolutely not going.
Please, Dad, let's go.
Come on!
Come on, Dad.
Woo!
But it's not like anyone in this family listens to me.
Tapu's Dad.
Welcome, a very warm welcome. Welcome everyone to this one-of-a-kind game of Jhumri Talaya. The family that clears all the hurdles and crosses the finish line first will be the winner of Jhumri Talaya. Come on!
Let's go, Dad.
Let's welcome Jethalal and family.
Yahoo! Yay!
It is compulsory to wear this t-shirt to play this competition. Looking at you two, it seems you have already memorized the rules.
This t-shirt fits me perfectly, doesn't it?
Looking at your face, your bones, and your brains, I'd say your family is going to lose. So let's start the first round.
Dad!
Oh, Tapu's Dad. Keep the t-shirt on. We have to win this competition. Yay!
Come on, let's go. The competition is starting.
It's extremely simple. You have to go from this corner to that corner, sitting on the duck.
Papa, look at this. Look at this. What?
Come on, Mom and Dad, come on.
Oh my goodness gracious. Don't be scared, Tapu's Papa. This is just like an auto ride on a bumpy road. Yay, yay.
And Jetha's ride begins. And the elephants attempt to climb on the ant. I mean, the duck continues.
Hold on, just a little more.
I'm going.
Tapu's Dad.
Yeah!
Why didn't you give me a helping hand?
If I helped, we would be disqualified.
Oh, he kept his belly in control. Jetha's life is on a roll.
Is it done? Let's go home.
Hey, the game has just begun, Tapu's Papa.
Yeah.
Now let's head towards the hanging bridge.
Running is not allowed. Now we'll go all the way to the final round.
Yes.
The team must run across the swinging bridge to the other side, and all the way they will be shot at with big balls by our amazing marksmen. Let's begin. Go!
Run!
Oh, wow, Tapu.
Wow, this kid is a super duper hit.
Yeah. Oh, come on, Mom and Dad, don't be scared. Oh my goodness, please help us to cross. Mommy!
Hanging with Tapu has made Daya start jumping too. Yeah.
Dad, why you also climb the bridge and come and help Mommy right now?
Okay, yeah.
Hey, Tapu's dad.
Save me! Save me!
Now it seems I'll have to dodge them just like Daya did.
Wow, Dad!
Messing with Jetta.
Tapu's dad. Swing later. Come and pull me up.
Daya! I'm coming!
Yay! Come on!
I'm dodging all these balls, changing colors like a chameleon. They're escaping from these marksmen.
Tapu's dad has arrived. Tapu's dad has arrived. Yay!
There they go.
That was so much fun.
Dad, let's go quickly. Come on, we have to finish all these rounds before anyone else does it.
Jethalal fell from the sky, caught between mother and son. But in the next game, they will all get lost in a maze.
Where did I get stuck?
On your mark, go!
Come on.
Slow, slow, little slow.
Oh, where is Tapu's dad go?
Hey, Dad, let's go. Dad? Tapu's dad, let's go from here. Dad, let's go.
Please spare me. I'm going home. You two are tearing me apart.
Tapu's dad. See there, you can exit through your lane. Huh?
Dad, we have won. Come on.
Hey, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah!
You two are just causing trouble. That monster was about to pop me like a balloon today. Now let's go home there. Let's go, Tapu. Let's go. Who are these people running towards me?
Hey, Dad, we have to defeat them. Come on.
Go! Huh? Oh. Dad, please take me home.
Jetha came as Tapu's father, but he'll leave as Tapu's grandfather.
Hey, Tapu's dad! Come over here and help us.
Oh my god! This man has so much power! He has so much power!
That's my dad. My dad.
Hey, Tapu's dad! Now come up quickly.
Here. Dad, come on up.
Remember, you must not fall on the marshmallow and you have to jump only when I say jump.
Yes, and don't remove the
You
blindfold.
do know that you've reached this far because of me? There's no need to teach me rules, okay?
It seems ever since he became a bull, Jethalal has found a new zest for this game.
When I say duck, that is the time you duck Tapu's dad.
Tapu's dad.
You have to duck only when I tell you to duck. Tapu's dad, when I say bend, only then you bend.
Daya, why don't you ask me to duck?
Hey, I just said. Twice I said.
I'll go acting like a horse.
Huh?
Duck!
Yeah.
Duck!
Dad, that's enough. Just stop. Yeah. My dad is the best.
I really got lucky here.
Come on, Dad. Come on.
Yeah.
Hey, I was just watching if you're hurt.
He touched the marshmallows, but now he's found himself in a sticky situation. My patience has run out. You had said this is the last obstacle. I have crossed it. Now I am going home. You see what you want to do? Oh, now why are these people following me?
Mom, Dad, you are the absolutely best.
Yay, we won!
Yeah!
We won, but I got worn out while winning.
Come on, let's go!
So folks, along with the fireworks and the Jhumri Talaiya trophy, Jethalal gets a huge cash prize. Now the celebration will be double XL size.
It wasn't that bad after all. I had fun while playing. If I knew about the cash prize, I would have crossed every level long ago.
Now they are calling us back for tomorrow's competition. What do you say, Tapu's dad? Should we do it?
Life is more precious than money. Jetha has run off. So what are you still doing here? Give it up.